Hey guys, welcome back to GMAT question of the day. So today we're dealing with an algebra problem that has to do with radicals and exponents. So it might look a little bit intimidating at first, but if you're confident with your algebra skills and just work through it, I think you'll find that it's not quite as bad as it may look at first glance. So the first thing I'm going to do is try to get rid of these radical signs. So, sorry, let me switch colors. There we go. So if I have 3 minus 2x and I'm going to square that equals root 2x plus 1 squared. So on this left-hand side, anytime you have a radical, sorry about that, that's not the best radical sign, but anytime you have a radical sign squared, they're basically just going to cancel each other out and you're going to be left with what's on the inside. So I'm going to have 3 minus 2x equals, and then I'm going to write this out, exactly what I'm doing, 2x plus 1, and I'm essentially just going to FOIL, which stands for first, outside, inside, last, so first, outside, inside, last, and I'm going to get 2x plus 2 root 2x plus 1. You guys can always pause the video and work through that, but it's basically just FOILing, so just multiplying each term by every term, basically. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and continue to simplify. I still have a radical sign, so that's really what I want to try to isolate and get rid of. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 2x over here and subtract 1x. So basically bring them over to the left side. So I'm going to get 2 minus 4x equals 2 root 2x. And again, feel free to pause the video at any time and, work through those steps. I kind of just did them in my head. Okay, so now I need to get rid of this 2 out front. So I'm going to divide this by 2 and divide this by 2. So coming up here, I'm going to get 1 minus 2x equals root 2x. Now, in order to get rid of this rad sign, I'm going to go ahead and square this and square this. And so on this side, I'm going to write this out, 1 minus 2x. So I'm going to get 1 minus 4x plus 4x squared equals 2x. So now we have something that looks a little bit nicer. We have no radicals, and at this point I'm going to remember what the question is asking for. The question is actually asking for, what does 4x squared equal? So from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and isolate 4x squared by bringing this 1 minus 4x over to the right hand side. So I'm going to get 4x squared equals 6x minus 1. So again, all I did was add 4x on the left hand side, and I added it to the right hand side, and then I subtracted this 1 from the left hand side and subtracted 1 from the right hand side. So this is going to be your answer right here. So if you had any trouble with that, I recommend going back and reviewing radicals, maybe doing some algebra problems, but I hope this video helped you with this problem. I am a math tutor, and my email is in the description if you're interested in setting up any Skype tutoring sessions. All right, thanks for watching, guys.